Hello all. So we shall continue with Newton's interpolation formula. We had already began it in the last class. We have studied what is Newton's interpolation formula, the forward difference interpolation formula and the backward difference interpolation formula. We have also seen a few problems in Newton's forward interpolation formula. We shall be continuing with the next problem in this video. So the problem, a second degree polynomial passes through the points 1, minus 1, 2, minus 1, 3, 1, 4, 5. Find the polynomial. Okay. So this is another kind of problem. ಇಷ್ಟವರೆಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟ data points ಅನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು we are estimating the value of the function at a particular point. In this problem, we are finding just a polynomial which passes through all these points. So we can use both forward and backward difference formula. Doesn't make much difference for us. So I shall be using the forward difference table and we shall find the polynomial. Table ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ what are the data points? These are the data points given to us. At values of the first coordinate gives the values of x. The second coordinate in each of these pair gives the values of y. So the x values are 1, 2, 3 and 4. Y values are minus 1, 1 and 5. We shall put it in the form of a table and write the forward difference table. So I have in the table 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, 1 and 5. We have written the forward differences minus 1, minus of minus 1, this is going to be 0. 1 minus of minus 1 becomes plus 2. 5 minus 4, 1 is 4. 2 minus 0 is 2, 4 minus 2 is 2 and 2 minus 2 is 0. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ differences is taken from bottom to top. Please be careful when finding the differences. Once this is done, as usual, Newton's formula ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ we shall first gather whatever is required to write the polynomial. Okay, so here we are. ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು x naught ಮತ್ತೆ p ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ and all the forward differences are required. We require y naught, x naught, p ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. x naught is 1, h is the difference between two consecutive points, that is also 1. So substitute in the formula for p and ಇಲ್ಲೇನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಹಿಯರ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗಿವನ್, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಹಾಕೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬೈ ಎಚ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ 1, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1, ಎಚ್ ಇಸ್ 1 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 1. So this is going to remain as x minus 1 only. P ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ, because I'm not interested in finding a particular value. We are interested in finding a polynomial which works for all values of x. Therefore, x is kept as x itself. So P, we are getting it as an algebraic expression and not as a number. Once we are done with this, then we will write all the differences required for us: y naught, delta y naught, delta square y naught and delta cube y naught. ನಾನು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗೆ it comes on the top, bottom to top diagonal ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು. Then write the Newton's forward difference interpolating formula, which is f of x. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ x ಅನ್ನ x ಅಂತಾನೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ ನಾವು. This is the usual formula what we write: y naught plus p into delta y naught plus p into p minus 1 by 2 factorial into delta square y naught plus p into p minus 1 into p minus 2 by 3 factorial into delta cube y naught plus so on. ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ substitute ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, and because delta cube is 0 in my formula, I can take only till delta square of y naught. Therefore, we will get only the first three terms. Substitute for y naught, which is minus 1. P is x minus 1. Delta y naught is 0. P is again x minus 1. P minus 1 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? X minus 1 divided by 2 factorial delta square is 2. Then simplify. Second term 0 ಆಯಿತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So minus 1 plus 2 factorial is 2. 2 2 cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. X minus 1 into x minus 1 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ totally? X minus 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then open the brackets over here. X into x is x square. ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus 1 into x ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ -2 into x ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Therefore they totally -3x. -1 into -2 becomes +2. Therefore this is our polynomial. One more step simplified. X square minus 3x minus 1 plus 2 becomes +1. So this is the required polynomial. Polynomial ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತು ನಮಗೆ? Only thing is x ಗೆ ನಾವು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಆ x ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಬಿಟ್ರೆ I am getting the polynomial. x ಗೆ ನಾನು ಒಂದು particular number ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ I am getting the value of that particular function at this point. Okay. So this is one more type of problem we can solve using Newton's interpolating formula. Next, ಇಷ್ಟವರೆಗೆ ನಾವು Newton's forward interpolation formula ಕಲಿತಿದ್ವಿ. Now we shall see what happens in Newton's backward interpolation formula. ಹೇಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ. So this is the sixth question we are doing. Estimate f of 7.5 from the table. X values are given from x is equal to 1 to x is equal to 8. 7.5 ಅಲ್ಲಿ function value ಅಂತ find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 7.5 comes exactly here. So in between 7 and 8 end of the table ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು value find out ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. That means we are using Newton's backward difference interpolation formula. So quickly we'll write the backward difference table ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. So 1 ಇಂದ 8 ವರೆಗೆ x values ಬೇಕು. So that I will be having 8 rows. We'll be having 8 rows. Values are 1, 8, 27, 64. From this table f of x values ಅನ್ನ ಉದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, 216, 343 and 512. Backward differences ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Backward difference ಆದ್ರೂ forward difference ಆದ್ರೂ what is the idea? Bottom to top difference. Therefore 8 minus 1 is 7, 27 minus 8 is 19, 64 minus 27 is 37, 125 minus 64 is 61, 216 minus 125 is 91, 343 minus 216 is 127, 512 minus 343 is 169. ಅದೇ ತರ ಕೆಳಗಿಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋದ್ರೆ we get all the remaining differences. And I've already highlighted in yellow. Yellow highlight ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ? Because we are in the backward difference interpolation formula. Bottom to top diagonal ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಟಾಪ್ ಟು ಬಾಟಮ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲ್, ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಬಾಟಮ್ ಟು ಟಾಪ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So before we write the formula, what all things are required for us? ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Last point ಬೇಕು. Everything is working from behind now. So first point ಅಲ್ಲ, last point. Last point is 8. So xn is 8. The difference between the values of x consecutive values is 1. And the point where I'm required to find out is 7.5. Using all this, we shall find the value of p. p ಗೇನು backward difference ಗೆ formula ಈಗ x minus xn divided by h. x minus xn divided by h. xn ಇಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು, x ನಾಟ್ ಇಂದ ಅಲ್ಲ. So substitute x is 7.5, xn is 8, 7.5 minus 8 by 1, that is minus 0.5. We have this. Then ಎಲ್ಲ bottom to top diagonal values ಬೇಕು. yn is 512, del yn is 169. You can see here del square yn is 42, del cube yn is 6, del power 4 yn is 0, del power 5 yn is also 0. Substitute all this in the Newton's backward difference interpolation formula. So we are finding the value of x at xn plus ph. Last point in the now map ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಎಷ್ಟು ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ. And the formula goes like this: yn plus p into del yn plus p into p plus 1 by 2 factorial into del square yn plus p into p plus 1 into p plus 2 by 3 factorial into del cube yn plus so on. Plus ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ these are minus, p minus 1, p minus 2 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ನಮಗೆ. And then substitute all the values. Yn is 512, f of 7.5 ಬೇಕಿರೋದು ನಮಗೆ, that is f of xn plus ph is f of 7.5. p is minus 0.5, del yn is 169, and substitute p minus 0.5 minus 0.5 divided by 2 factorial, del square is 42, p plus 1, p plus 2, p l is minus 0.5 ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ divided by 3 factorial into del cube is 6, del power 4 is 0, del power 5 is 0, therefore formulaದಲ್ಲಿ del power 4, del power 5 ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ ನಮಗೆ. Simplify all these numbers, the answer what you get is 421.87, which is the required answer. I hope you get the difference in applying both the formula. ಏನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ yn ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾಡೋಂಥದ್ದು ನಾವು. p ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ yn ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದಲ್ಲೂ yn ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. All the backward differences respect to yn is taken while using the Newton's backward difference interpolation formula. Then we have one last problem to see. ಈಗೇನು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅದೇ ಥರನೇ ಇದೆ. We are find the cubic polynomial which takes the following values, hence evaluate f of 4 ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಲೇ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, finding the polynomial which passes to the given data points. Exactly same thing. Data points illu kuda kottidare. Data points is already given to us. Okay. And the question asked is evaluate f of 4 anta kelidare. f of 4 elli barutte nodi, 0, 1, 2, 3 varage x values ide. 4 comes at the end of the table after the last point. Andre the interpolation alla ನಾವು extrapolation ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. 4 after the last point ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ I have chosen the table, I have chosen the formula regarding to backward difference. Okay. So ಆಗಲೇ ನಾವು forward difference ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಇವಾಗ ಯಾಕೆ backward difference ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? The polynomials will be getting the same, but since I want to extrapolate at the end of the table, I am using the backward difference formula. Okay. Quickly we shall see the backward difference table. X values 0, 1, 2, 3, y values 1, 2, 1, 10. Write the differences. 2 minus 1, 1, 1 minus 2 is minus 1, 10 minus 1 is 9, minus 1 minus 1 is minus 2, 9 minus of minus 1 is 10, 10 minus of minus 2 is 12. Once we have the table, next ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Formula apply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Formula ಏನು ಬೇಕು? We are in backward difference. Last point ಏನು ಅಂತ ಬೇಕು? P value ಬೇಕು, X value ಬೇಕು. All the backward differences are required. ಇಷ್ಟು ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Last point is 3. H is 3 minus 2, that is 1. X is equal to 4. This is where I want to find out the value. X is equal to 4. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ನಾನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. P is equal to x minus xn by h. x ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. xn is substituted as 3. Why? Because the first part of the question is find the polynomial which takes the following values. So x ಗೆ ನಾನು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕೋತೀನಿ. First I shall find the polynomial. So P will remain as x minus 3. Yn is 10. Del yn in ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Seeing from the table, del yn is 9. Del square yn is 10. Del cube yn is 12. Once we have all this, put it in the Newton's backward difference interpolation formula. So f of xn plus ph ididu f of x agutte. We are not interested in a particular point for now. Yn is 10. P is x minus 3. Del yn is 9. P is x minus 3. Till x minus 3 plus 1. Because of this p plus 1. Divided by 2 factorial. Del square is 10. P is x minus 3. P plus 1 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? x minus 3 plus 1. P plus 2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? x minus 3 plus 2 divided by 3 factorial into del square yn is, del cube yn is 12. Once we have all this, simplify everything. Simplification is carefully given to you. Multiply, open up all the brackets. So you will be getting the polynomial 2x cube minus 7x square plus 6x plus 1. This is the polynomial, cubic polynomial. ಯಾಕೆ? x power 3. The highest power of x is 3. Therefore, this is the cubic polynomial. Once that is done, we are asked to find f of 4. f of 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? f of x ಅಲ್ಲಿ x ಗೆ 4 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. So once x is put as 4 here, 2 into 4 cube minus 7 into 4 square plus 6 into 4 plus 1. Simplify, we are going to get it as equal to 41. Therefore, two things are solved. Finding the polynomial also is done, and finding the value of the function at the point 4 is also done. And we have also seen why to apply backward differences over here. So given that, we have few more problems which is to be tried by you. Work out ಮಾಡಿ problem ಅನ್ನ, check where to apply forward difference formula, backward difference formula ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ಅಂತ check ಮಾಡಿ. Try to solve these problems. See you in the next video. Thank you.